Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw and this is Life Above the Clouds. I hope everyone had a really happy Halloween, but it is finally November, which means more pumpkin things. Last week we made some pumpkin sugar cookies, and so I had some leftover pumpkin and I had to use it up, so this week we're gonna make some pumpkin banana muffins. I love banana bread, and adding just a little bit of pumpkin and a little bit of pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon makes these muffins perfect for fall and perfect for Thanksgiving. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together your flour, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. In a large mixing bowl, mix together your sugar and oil, and then add in the eggs and vanilla extract until smooth. Today I'm using my cannabis infused olive oil. I really like using olive oil in this recipe because it makes these muffins really rich and dense. You can also use coconut oil. Now stir in the banana and pumpkin until smooth, and then add in the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Now fill each cupcake tin to about 2/3 full. In another medium-sized mixing bowl, add together your butter, brown sugar, flour, and pumpkin pie spice, and mix together using a pastry cutter or a fork, or you can even use your hands. Mix together until it's nice and crumbly. Now sprinkle a heaping tablespoon onto each muffin tin. I like to be really generous with the crumbs because I think the crumbs are the best part. Now bake for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of one of the muffins comes out clean. Now, how easy was that? I cannot wait to try this muffin. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I lost a huge crumb. They're moist and rich and dense, and the pumpkin and the banana are really mild. It just adds so much moisture to these muffins, and I love the crumbs on top because they're a little bit crispy and crunchy, so it goes great with this soft muffin. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get a new cannabis recipe every Friday morning. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.